Alright, so as you guys know, put a leveling kit in my truck. I knew eventually I was going to have to do ball joints and possibly tie rods, do the leveling kit. But I think, what did we do? We put this in, what, 6 months ago?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, so we, probably about 6 months ago, we ran the winter like this. And I went and put on my summer tires here the other day, and this is what I found. Oh. Look at that upper control arm ball joint there. You want to hold that? Right there. As you can see, the tire's moving. Upper ball joint's bad. Lower ball joint's bad. Tie rod on the passenger side. Then I got upper and lower ball joints for the other side. I'm going to do all four. Tie rod on the other side's good. But yeah, if you're thinking of putting a leveling kit in your truck, I'd advise not to and go straight with an actual lift kit. And that way all the geometry of the suspension is going to be proper. And you're not going to have this.
I think it's just a Ford thing.
Could be a Ford thing. Could be a Chevy thing too. Or a Dodge. Or any kind of truck. Alright, so we're going to change upper and lower ball joints now and a tie rod. And we're going to take out the leveling kit that we put in. We're going to put it back to stock. We're going to take out our back blocks in the back. And then hopefully we can sneak into my buddy's shop to get an alignment. Hopefully he's not too jammed up and things go smooth that we can go in there and tinker with that. So we can get everything back proper and I'll be back up on the road by the end of the weekend.